Welcome everyone. Today we are going to cover two experiments. The aim of the first experiment is to connect an ultrasound sensor and blink an LED up to a distance of 100 cm. So for performing this experiment, first we have required an Arduino board. So in the search box I am going to type Arduino. So here I got one Arduino. So I will place it here according to my convenience. After that, we need one ultrasound sensor. So here I got one. I will rotate this, and also we need LED as well as resistor. So type for the LED. And also search for resistor. Here I got the resistor. I will rotate this as well. Now after placing all the apparatus at appropriate position, we are going to make the connections. So first of all, we are going to connect the ground port of the ultrasonic sensor to the ground port of the Arduino board. So I will make the connection. After making the ground connection, we have to connect the signal port to any one of the digital pin. I am going to connect this D7th point of the digital pin. After that, this 5V port has to be connected with the 5V port of the Arduino board. Let me align it properly. So now we have to connect the LED bulb to the Arduino board through the resistor. So I am going to connect the ground port of the Arduino board to the cathode of the LED. So let me do that. Let's align this properly. After this, we have to connect the analog port A0 to the resistor, and from the resistor we have to connect the terminal 2 of the resistor to this LED, to the anode of the LED. So here Here I have made the connection successfully. So now we have to go for the code option and select for text option and click on continue. Here I have placed the code. So now we have to click on start simulation button. Please don't worry, I will provide this code in the description of this video. So let me simulate this. As you can see, I will simulate, and yes, as you can see, this is the simulation. Now when I am going to increase the distance of this object from the ultrasound sensor, you can see the LED will start blinking. Now let me increase it to greater than 100. Yes, now you can see the LED is glowing. Hence we have got the result for the first experiment. Now we are going to cover another experiment. The aim of the second experiment is to connect an temperature sensor and to blink an red LED for a temperature of -40 degrees Celsius and 125 degrees Celsius and green for others. So as you can see, I have already placed the components at appropriate position as per my convenience. So I am going to make the connections. So let me make the connections. So what I am going to do is, I am going to this power point of the temperature sensor. I am going to connect this power point of the temperature sensor to this 5V port of the Arduino board. So let me do that. After that, I am going to connect the ground port of the temperature sensor to the ground port of the Arduino board. And this Vout port of the temperature sensor should be connected to this analog pin of the Arduino board. Like this. So let me align this properly. Yes. Now we have to connect the LEDs and the resistor to the Arduino board. So what I am going to do is, I am taking this ground port as common point for the LEDs as well as the temperature sensor. So I will be using this ground port for the LEDs as well as for the temperature sensor. Yes, now it's correct. Oh, sorry. One more connection. Yes. Now I am going to connect the digital pin 5 and 4 to the resistor, to the terminal 1 of the resistor, and from terminal 2 the LED should be connected. I mean the anode of the LED should be connected. So connect to this point of the LED, this point, this pin to the resistor. Yes. Now we have made the connection successfully. So I am going for the code option, and I have already selected the text option, and already I have the code. I will be providing this code in the description of this video. So let me analyze it first. Yes, it's perfect. So what I am going to do, I am going to click on start simulation button. So let me change the temperature. Now you can see the temperature is moderate, so green LED is blinking. If I increase the temperature to critical conditions, the red LED will blink. Yes, you can see I have increased the temperature to 125 degrees Celsius and the red LED is blinking, and for -40 it is doing so as well. So this is all for today. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you very much.